Hello and welcome to my channel Mathematical Coaching Center. So in today's class we'll do indices part 3. In this class we'll solve very important questions. So those who haven't gone through with my part 1 and part 2, the link is given in the description. So let's start today's class. So you can see in this question what they had given is that 3 square 0 plus 3 to the minus 4 into 3 to the power 6 plus 1 by 3 minus 2. So what happens is that in this type of question, what you can do, you can see here what they are given 3 square 0. So you know that already we have discussed in our previous sum that anything to the power 0 is 1. Yeah, 1 to the power 0 is 1. Even suppose anything to the power 0 is 1100 to the power 0 is 1. So similarly to anything to the power 3 square 0, it will be your 1 plus. Now you can see here what they are given, the bases are same. The bases same means the power should be added. As you know this rule, what is the rule? A to the power m into a to the power n. So since the bases are same, what will be? The power should be added. So m plus n. So similarly in this also, what can I do? Here 3 to the power minus 4 plus 6 I can do plus. Now you can see here 1 to the power minus 2 is there. So anything to the power 1 is again 1 only. Suppose I have 1 to the power 1. 1 to the 1 is 1 only. 1 to the power 100 suppose. That means 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. That means it will be 1 only. So 1 to the power minus 2 also it will be 1 only. So what can I write this? 1 to the power minus 2 it will be 1. And this will be 3 to the power minus 2. As you know that rule, this rule, a by b to the power m is there. That means this m belongs to a to the power m, b to the power m. So this minus 2 belongs to this also, and this minus 2 belongs to 3 also. Now what can I do in the next step? So this is 1 plus 3. 6 minus 4 is your 2 plus. Since this is negative to make it positive, this will go up. So this will be your 3 square. So what can I do? This plus 3 square. 3 3 is 9 plus 3 square again 9. So what I'll get? 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 1, 19. So this is my answer. So now let's solve another question. Here you can see our next question. So already we have solved this type of question in my previous video. So you can see here 5 to the n, 5 to the n. So what happened in this question, you can see this side also we have 5 to the power n. This side also we have 5 to the power n. If you'll see nicely, this side also we have 5 to the n, and this side also I have 5 to the n. But we have to use one rule. So what does that rule says is that, you know that already we have done this a to the power m plus n. If this, I can write a to the power m into a to the power n. Similarly, what you have? 5 to the power n plus 3. So what can I write this? 5 to the power n, 5 to the power 3. And this side what you have? 5 to the power n plus 1. So what can I write? 5 to the power n dot 5 to the power 1. So now this has been changed. So this I can write 5 to the power n dot 5 to the power 3 minus 6 into 5 to the power n dot 5 to the power 1. So similarly lower one, you can see 5 to the n, 5 to the n I can take common. So 5 to the n common. So what left inside? 9 minus what is there? 2 square. Okay, so we got this. Now what can I do in this? You can see here on the numerator 5 to the n, 5 to the n is same. So that means I can take common. So 5 to the n will be common. So 5 to the n common. So what will be left inside? 5 to the power cube minus 6 5s are 30. In denominator we have 5 to the n. So this is a 9 minus 2 square is a 4. So you can see here what you have in 5 to the n, 5 to the n. So they both will get cancelled. Now what can I do? 5 cube. 5 cube means 5 cube means 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 is 25, 25 5s are 125. So what I got here? 125 minus 30 divided by 9 minus 5. 9 minus 4 is your 5. So 125 minus 30 is your 95 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5. It will come 19. That means I got 19. So this is my final answer. So let's start this question. So you can see in this question what they are given is that 64 to the power 1 to 5 to the power minus 2 by 5 divided by, so we have 256 by 625 1 by 4 plus So under root 25 cube root of 64 to the power 0. So as you know that anything to the power 0 is 1. So how to solve this type of question? So you can see the 64, 125, change this in indices form. Okay, so it changed it in power form. So what can I do? Let's do the LCM of 64. So what is the LCM of 64? 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8 za, 2, 4 za, 2, 2 za, 2, 1 za. So how many 2's I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 64, what can I write? 64, what can I write? 2 to the power 6 divided by, now I have 125. So again I have to do the LCM of 125. So what is the LCM of 125? 125 LCM 5, 25, 5, 5 za, 5, 1 za. That means how many 5s are there? 1, 2, 3. So that means I can write this as 5 to the power cube. So there is one rule already we have discussed. A by B to the power m is there. So this m belongs to A also, A to the power m. This m belongs to B also, B to the power m. So similarly you can see this looks like m. That means this belongs to this also, this belongs to this also. That means I can write this as minus 2 by 3. The question is wrong. Okay, this is your 2 by 3. This is your 2 by 3. So this will be your 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. Now divided by 1. Now this also you have to change, 256. Now let's do the LCM of 256. So what is the LCM of 256? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 2 2s are 2, 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2, 2 1. So how many 2s? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how many 2s are there? 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 divided by 625. Now I have to do of the 625. 625, 5 1s are 5, 2 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5, 5s are 5 1s are. So how many 5? 1 2 3 4. That means this I can write 5 to the power 4. Similarly this 1 by 4 belongs to this also. This 1 by 4 belongs to this also. Plus, so anything to the power 0 is always 1. So I can write this as directly 1. Now what you can do? This will get cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 3 3 get cancelled. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 4 4 also get cancelled. So what I got finally? 2 plus minus minus 2 2s are 4. Now denominator 5 plus minus minus 2 divided by 1. What do you have? 2 square. 4 4 get cancelled. So I'll get 5 plus 1. Now you can see it's negative. To make it positive it will go down and this down one will come up. That means this will give 5 square. This will go down. So 2 to the power 4 divide. So when I'll make divide multiply, right now I'll take keep like this only. So this will be a 5 by 2 square plus 1. As you know, you have done in previous classes, in junior class, suppose this is like this, 1 3 upon 5. This you can write 5 upon 3. Similarly 1 2 square by 5 I can write this way. Now what will be this? I can write 5 square is how much? 25. 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16. So how much I got? 16. So this will be your 16 divided by 5. 2 square means 2 to the 4 plus 1. Now what can I do? I can change like this. 25 by 16 divide. When I'll make multiply, 4 will go up, 5 will come down, plus 1. So now this will get cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So what I got? 5 upon 4 plus 1. Numerator thing is 1. So what is the LCM? 4 and 1. 4 will be the LCM. 4 4 get cancelled. 1 1 5s are 5 plus 1 you will divide to this 4. 4 1s are 4. So what I got? 9 upon 4 is your answer. Or you can change this in mixed fraction also. How you will change in mixed fraction? So 4 divided by 9. 4 2s are 8. So 1. So what can I write? This I can write, or I can write 2 1 upon 4. So this is your final answer. Now let's solve this question. So what they are given is that x to the power m by x to the power n to the power l dot x to the power n by x to the power l to the power m dot x to the power l by x to the power m n. So how to solve this type of question? So I'll show you in a very easy way. You can see here x to the power m. So you can see in the denominator is also x. So you know that rule already we have discussed. Suppose I have a to the power m and a to the power n. So you can see the bases are same. So when I'll take this off, it will be minus. So a to the power m minus n. So what can I do? What can I write here is also x to the power m is there. So this n, if I'll take it off, what will be this? Minus n to the power l dot. Similarly, what can I write this? X to the power n. This l, when l go up, it will be minus l to the power m dot. This side also x, l. This m I am taking off, so it will be minus m to the power n. So what can I write this? X m l minus n l. I am opening this m into l, ml, n into l, nl dot x to the power nm minus lm dot x to the power ln minus mn. So now you can see the bases are same, x. So you know the rule. When the bases are same, the power should be added. So the rule is this: a to the power m, a to the power n. So bases you can see it's same. That means the power should be added, a m plus n. So here's three bases are same. That means all the three powers should be added. So x ml minus nl plus nm minus lm plus what is the ln minus mn. Now you can see here ml and lm both are same, so this and this will get cancelled. nl and ln both will get cancelled. nm and mn both will get cancelled. Both are same, okay? So don't get confused. mn equals to nm, both are same only. Why? 2 into 3 also I'll get 6, 3 into 2 also I'll get 6. So both the way it's same only. So all it get cancelled. Cancel means I'll get 0. So x to the power 0 is my 1. So this is my final answer. So here we have another question. You can see x a plus b to the power a minus b x to the power c. X b plus c, x a b minus c. X c plus a, x b c minus a. So this is your simplification, simplify. So you can see the question is so complicated. Now we have to make it simple. So I'll show you in another way, a very easy way. So see, if I'll take this up also I can do, but I'll not take this. I'll keep it as it is, and I'll use another rule. Suppose x a plus b x c. So as you know this rule, that suppose I have a to the power m and b to the power. Suppose a by b to the power m. This m belongs to this also, this also. So that means a to the power m by b to the power m. That means this a minus b will be belongs to this also, a minus b, and this a minus b belongs to this also, a minus b dot. Similarly in this also, b plus c, this will be a b minus c. Similarly x a b minus c dot x c plus a, this c minus a. Denominator x b, what will be? C minus a. So if you'll see nicely, what you see is that here a plus b, a minus b. That means it's a formula. What is going formula? A plus b, a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. If you'll see nicely here, what do you have? B plus c, b minus c. A plus b, a minus b. This is also formula. That means instead of a, b square minus c square. This side also c plus a, c minus b. That means this will be a c square minus a square. So this will change in the formula a square minus b square. Now down one, lower one you will multiply. C into a you will write in alphabetic order. So it will be ac minus c into b, bc dot. This is again in formula. Which formula? B square minus c square divided by x, a into b, ab minus a into c, ac dot x. This is again in formula. Which formula? C square minus a square divided by x. This will multiply bc minus b into a. This will be a ab, alphabetic order. So now you can see the bases are same. The bases are same. What does the rule says? The power should be added. So since you know the rule, again I am writing a to the b, b to the n. suppose a to the power n, suppose. So bases are same, the power should be added, that means a m plus n. So similarly in this the power should be added, that means a square minus b square. Base will be only single, then what you have power another, b square minus c square. Then what you have another power, c square minus a square. In denominator also x, that means the power should be added, ac minus bc plus what you have, ab minus ac plus bc minus ab. Now you can see a square opposite sign cancel, b square also opposite sign cancel, c square also opposite sign cancel. AC opposite sign, BC opposite sign, AB also it get cancel. So what I got, everything cancel means x to the power 0, down also x to the power 0. So you know anything to the power 0 is 1, denominator anything to the power 0 is 1. So 1 upon 1, what I will get, 1. So this is my final answer. Here comes our last question. This will be the last question. So you can see here, root is there, lm is there, x to the power l, x to the power m, root mn, x to the power m, x to the power n, root nl, x to the power n, x to the power l. So you can see complicated, question is so complicated. Now we have to make simple. So you can see the question, what they are given is that we know this rule. Suppose this is cube root I can write 1 by 3. Similarly in this question you can see what they are given, lm. So lm what can I write, 1 by lm. So as you know this we call as square root. Square root means there is always 2 but we don't write 2. So this is your 1 by 2. Okay, so let's start doing the sum. So and this sum I'll solve in a very simple way. So you can see here, x to the power l, x to the power m. So what can I write this on the root lm? So you can see what can I write, 1 by lm dot, this side is x to the m, x to the n. This also similarly what can I write, 1 by m n, x to the power n, x to the power l as it is. Now what will be this, 1 by n l. So you know this rule that a by b to the power m, single power is there. That means this m belongs to a also and this m belongs to b also. Similarly in this also I can write like this also, x to the power l, this belongs to both, 1 by l m. Similarly this 1 by lm belongs to this also, 1 by l m dot, x to the power m, what can I write, this mn, x to the power n into 1 by m n. This belongs to this also, this also, this belongs to this also, this also. So what can I write, x to the power n into 1 by nl, x to the power l into 1 by nl. So you can see here something, ll is there, so ll will get cancelled. Here is mm also get cancelled, got cancelled, n and n got cancelled. This side also n got cancelled and ll got cancelled. So what can I write now, x to the power you can see got cancelled, that means 1 by m. This side x to the power 1 by l plus this side x to the power 1 by n, this side x to the power 1 by m, sorry it's into into what you have, dot means into only, x to the power 1 by l, this is your x to the power 1 by n. So you can see x to the power 1 by n, this side also, the both get cancelled. X to the 1 by m up, in denominator cancel, x to the 1 by l, x to the 1 by l got cancelled. So what I got, all get cancelled means up I have 1, down also I have 1. So 1 upon 1 is nothing, it's your 1. So I got the answer. So please like, subscribe and share with your friends.